Two-step cleaning process. Recommended process by Whiting Systems Incorporated to clean and neutralize fertilizer equipment. Please see product SDS and labeling for precautionary statements and PPE recommendations. These recommendations are to make your company more productive and less wasteful. Step 1. Spray equipment with the first step soap. Start at the bottom and work your way up to the top in a side-to-side motion. Be sure to cover the equipment but not washing the equipment with soap. Let the product lightly dry. Step 2. Apply the second step soap, acid-based product, directly over the top of the first step soap. Work in the same manner as the first step, covering bottom to top in a side-to-side motion, covering the equipment but not washing with the product. Let it set for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not let this product dry on the surface. Note, it is best to work in small sections of one side at a time. Step 3. Wash off with high-pressure hot water. Start washing from top to bottom in a side-to-side motion. This will help prevent streaking and give the equipment a new finish. Prevent chemical waste by not standing in one spot spraying chemical over the same area. This is called washing with soap, which is not recommended by Whiting Systems. You must cover the area with the product while moving quickly. Only spray the chemical at the equipment to be cleaned, not at the ground or an individual. Do not stand talking and letting chemical run out on the ground.